think the mindset that you need when going into a creative field such as game development or animation is to be a really great problem solver, to be creative, and what I'll also say is that you should be really good at Googling.
What is most important is to teach yourself how to learn. The second most important thing by far is to say, like, I want to be able to finish a project, and that takes discipline.
A lot of what goes into successful teams, successful projects, really comes from communication.
Collaborating with others, because you're going to be working with different teams or different team members with different skill sets. And so you'll need to know how to work well with them and communicate properly with them.
Self-esteem and believing in yourself.
It's really important just to have a lot of curiosity and patience.
You need to remember that things take time. And if you rush things, they won't come out the way you want it to. When you stay focused on the idea ahead, you'll be able to see everything clearly, even the faults in
consistent approach to trying again, you'll do just fine.
your idea. And also I believe a positive mindset is key, because things do go wrong, and if you're always positive about it, you'll always be able to solve it.
You'll spend a lot of time trying something and it doesn't work. And if you've got an attitude of curiosity as to why, and you've got a